Good morning, all of you. I hope you all are well. Today I'm going to talk about Kisan or a farmer. It is very important topic in our life to understand who is Kisan or who is farmer. So, farmer is the person. If I talk about farmer, first of all, one words come in our mind that who is farmer. So I am giving its I am going to explain it that who is farmer. Farmer is the persons who work in their field to uh, cultivate grains and to grant us food for us. See, how the second question comes that uh, what kind of how many kind of mm, grains they provide us. So we can't count how much of food are eligible in their grains are eligible in our country, but I can say that all kind of food is provided by farmer. I will if I talk about their importance, that I would like to say that they are the bone of our country. If there is no Kisan, our economic background will be go down in deep. It will by decreasing our GDP economic background, we will be so we will be counted as a poor country, and we can't growth and we can't develop. So kisan is the kisan are farmer are very important because they play big role for us to grant any food, any kind of food for us, which grant us a good life. You all have heard that there are three main point by which our life go on. First food, second cloth, and third home. So one of the most topic is point is the food. If there is no food, our life is like a dead. uh, the meaning of our life is can't be defined. If there because if we doesn't if we will not get food, then can we how can we live on earth, and how can we imagine that what is life. So it is the one of the most part of most topic of our life, like for our body to going for our body. If I talk about our body, that if we want that it runs very well, so we should care that all part of body should be present, and it works nicely. If I if I talk about, if there is your no eyes, then how can you image anything? So as so this is also like that example. If there is no food, we can't imagine the meaning of life. So we at last I will say that kisan is the kisan is the person who to whom we can say that they are actually donor, and give, I can say that they are giver, big giver to running our life. They are most, I can say that they play big role for our life, so we should be grateful to them. We should care about their family. We always remember, if we have, if we should always encourage them and always meet that kind of people, and we should always encourage them so that they work day and day for us, because we know that how much they take effort for us. If there is day or night, they always spend their, they always spend their time in field. I can say that the most of their time is spent by them in field. So we can imagine that how much they suffer for us. So finally I will say that we should be grateful to them. If I wish that I can explain more wholly for them, I can't explain, because their work are very grateful, very great for us, and I have no word that how can I explain it. So finally I will say that please care about farmer and help them, and be respectful for them, and also be grateful for them. Finally I finish my this conversation. Thank you. Have a nice day.